subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Last year in June, LG has announced Stylo 5 smartphone, and now the company is set to launch the successor of it as LG Stylo 6. Recently, a reliable leakster event Blast has shared the press renders of the LG Stylo 6 smartphone that shows the complete design of the upcoming phone. According to leak renders, the LG Stylo 6 will support a flat screen with water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera and has rounded corners with small bezels on all the sides. At the back, the phone appears to feature a horizontally aligned triple camera setup including LED flash at the top center. The rear panel of the phone also appears to feature an centrally aligned fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The power button is visible on the right edge, while on the left appears to have volume rockers along with the ejectable SIM card slot and another button which might be key for Google Assistant. At the bottom, the phone will house 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker grill, microphone, a Type-C charging port and a slot for stylus pen. And at the top it has secondary microphone. The leak renders also reveals the design of the stylus pen. Apart from this, there is no other details of LG Stylo 6 has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So as of now, that's all we know about the LG Stylo 6 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.